I know everybody I got like we.
What is good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a video of me retwisting my locks with a homemade flaxseed gel. Yes, I made it myself at home to retwist my hair. I have very soft, fine hair. It's not thick, it's very soft and fine. So retwisting my hair, and it never stays. Okay, my hair is like, it's kind of mixed, so whenever I retwist my hair it never stays. So I decided to try this flaxseed gel that I've been seeing all over YouTube. So I decided to DIY it, and let's see how it turns out. Keep watching. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So my hair is washed. I washed it like 2 days ago, and I didn't moisturize it, nothing. So my hair is really dry. So I'm just moisturizing it. First I sprayed it with some rose water. Now I'm going in with some coconut oil. I love me some coconut oil, plus it smells so good. Love it.
Treh Lamonte, yeah. No.
So I brought this head massager scrubber thingy from the hair supply store. I use it in the shower as well whenever I'm washing my locks, and whenever I moisturize my locks as well, I use it to massage the oils into my scalp. It was like $2, I think, or $3 maximum. It was very cheap, and I love it. I love it. It gives me a nice massage.
Love pengers, let me feel on it. Now go on like you don't want it. I love it when your arms on me, your body singing that sweet song for me. I can fuck you whenever you need it, but when I'm in it I might stay for a season.
Feels so good. So I'm going to be using elastics and a hair clip. And first I'm going to section my hair off into 4 sections. This way, you know, I can easily retwist my locks. So section it off into 4, and I'm going to start with the back. I always start with the back. I don't know why. I'm going to start with the back, and then I'm going to come back and show you the front, how I do the front, how I retwist.
Robber, no waste man in our section. If the man a inch up, we are pressing. Really loving your complexion. We just need to make connections. Yeah. Might just put you on a dresser. Let me do something extra. Come on, love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you're...
So I'm back, and the back is all done, as you can see, and I use elastic to secure all of them. So here's a flaxseed gel. I do not use a lot, okay? A little goes a long way. I feel like if I use a lot, I'm gonna get like a lot of flakes, because I did see a lot of reviews saying that they got a lot of flakes, but we'll see. I didn't use a lot because I didn't want a whole bunch of gunk in my hair, so I used a little bit. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot. And what I do after I finish retwisting one, I retwist it until it forms into like a little donut or like a little loop. This way I won't need clips, so it's like clipless to retwist, and it works. It works when your locks are hanging, so this way it wouldn't be sticking out or it wouldn't unravel. So yeah, so I'm just gonna leave you guys here, and hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.
Treh Lamonte, yeah. No. Love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you're wine pon it. Take time pon it, yeah, for time pon it. Love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you're wine pon it. Take time pon it, yeah, for time pon it. Love pengers, let me feel on it. Now go on like you don't want it. I love it when your arms on me, your body singing that sweet song for me. I can fuck you whenever you need it, but when I'm in it I might stay for a season. Heart racing, heavy breathing. I know you hate when I be leaving. wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company, yeah. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. Love me, baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. OTB there upon the bomber. Listen up the loud with the grabber. No waste man in our section. If the man are inch up, we are pressing. Really loving your complexion. We just need to make connections, yeah. Might just put you on a dresser. Let me do something extra. Come on, love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. Love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. No, 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 no.
So when I'm done a section, I take all the locks that I've retwisted and I pull them all down, holding them at the base so they don't unravel. And then I secure it with elastic, so this way the retwist will hold.
Trail them on, yeah. Oh, no. No. Love me, baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. Love me, baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. Love pengers, let me feel on it. Nah, go on like you don't want it. I love it when your arms on me. Your body singing that sweet song for me. I can fuck you whenever you need it, but when I'm in it, I might stay for a season. Heart racing, heavy breathing. I know you hate when I be leaving. Love me, baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company, yeah. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. Love me, baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. OTB there upon the bomber. Listen up the loud with the grabber. No waste man in our section. If the man are inch up, we are pressing. Really loving your complexion. We just need to make connections, yeah. Might just put you on a dresser. Let me do something extra. Come on, love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. Love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you wine on it. Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. No.
This is something new that I've recently started doing. I used the argan oil sheen spray, just make it nice and shiny. Now I'm going to secure my hair with a bandana. Well, and I did my edges too, as you can see. Baby hairs are all done. Yep. So I'm gonna use a bandana, and I'm gonna go through this the whole day, maybe until tomorrow. And yeah, so my retwist can stay.
Take time on it, yeah, for time on it. Love pengers, let me feel on it. Nah, go on like you don't want it. I love it when your arms on me.
You feel the vibe is contagious. I feel vibes, I know summer heart clean inside, right up on a hillside.
Bam, so it's the next day and the retwist stayed, y'all. It stayed. Now, in November of last year, 2018, I made a choice to not interlock my hair for 1 whole year. And it's been 6 months so far. and I have so much growth, it's ridiculous. So I am going to interlock. So the next video after this one is going to be an interlock video. Don't worry, it's going to be 2 weeks after the retwist. I need to do it because the retwist only lasted for a week and a half. Yeah.
Listen up loud with the grabber. No waste man in our section. If the man are inch up, we are pressing. Really loving your complexion. We just need to make connections. Yeah. Might just put you on a dresser. Let me do something extra. Come on, love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company. Take up your body when you're wine planning. Take time planning, yeah, for time planning. Love me baby, wrap your arms on me. I've been lonely, I need company.
So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you try this DIY flaxseed gel at home, and peace and love, y'all.